Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unpack your Rar and Zip files on Motorola Moto G42. So in order to do this, first you will need to get the Rar app, and we've shown you how to download it in our other video. Now let's open it. Here, find the files that you want to pack, select each file, click on this plus button. Here you will enter archiving options, so change any of them as you like. I will just change the name in this example. Click OK. And that way you'll create a Rar file. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.